Morning, sir.
Morning po.
Okay, good morning. So, uh have you prepared an A4 paper, ruler and a pen?
Pero
Yes.
ano po A4 paper?
A4 paper, ruler and pen. White paper. Okay, let me share you my screen. Okay? Let me know if you can see my screen right now. Yes. Okay, class. Let me just go on, okay? Our topic for today, it's week 16, that is on your canvas. It's the discussion on magnetic and gyro compass, or specifically boxing the compass. Okay, how do you box the compass? First, you have to draw this one, the north cardinal, south cardinal, and the east cardinal, and the west cardinal. So at first, you have to draw the four cardinal points, north, south, east, west. You do it right now. And then next is you have to add up the intercardinal points, such as the northeast, the southeast, the southwest, and the northwest. So by now you have 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 points. Okay. After drawing the cardinal and then the intercardinal points, you have to add up or dissect again in between the cardinal and then the intercardinal points. Okay, you have to insert in between the cardinal and the intercardinal points. So in between north and northeast, you have to write north northeast. Okay, in between. After that, in between east and northeast, you can write east northeast. In between south east and southeast, okay, in between east and southeast, it will become east southeast. And in between south and southeast, it will become south southeast. In between south and southwest, it will become south southwest. In between west and southwest, it will become west southwest. In between west and northwest, it will become west northwest. And lastly, in between north and northwest, it will become north northwest. Okay, but that's not the end of it. Okay, we have just added additional 8. Okay, so total we have 16 points. Now we have to add up another. Okay, I want you to draw the little lines, okay, with the blue ones. Ito, okay, in between north and northeast, in between northeast and by north. Okay. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, okay, there are blue ones. There are blue ones in between those points. So how do you name it? Kindly please write, as I've told you, pakisabayan po ako, class. Okay? This point, do you see my arrow? Do you see my arrow, class? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This will be north by east. I say again, north by east. Pakisulat on your paper. Please write it on your paper. Okay? Now, I'm gonna move the arrow again here. Where is it? Where is my arrow right now? Hello? Do you see my arrow right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's
Yes,
one
sir.
point 1 point above the east. So this will become east by north. Okay, just like this one, east by north. Nakikita nyo to?
Opo, sir.
Okay, east by north. So we have added two. Okay, the one is north by east and the other one is east by north. Now we go to the intercardinal, which is the northeast. This will become, ito yung blue na yon, this blue will become northeast by north. Okay, northeast by north, just like this one. The highlighted northeast, this this arrow will become northeast by north. And the other one is northeast by east. Okay, this point will become northeast by east. Okay, so we have done the northeast quadrant. Okay, so it is the same as what is the procedure we have done, or how is the procedure that we have done on the southeast quadrant, on the southwest quadrant, and on the northwest quadrant. Now let's do it again for the southeast quadrant. So this is east, south, and this is east. Okay, this point below the east will become east by south. East by south, just like this one. Okay, east by south. Okay, while this point nearby on the right side of the south will become south by east. South by east. Now let's find south by east. South by east is here. Okay, okay, and then again, after that, we go to the intercardinal point, which is southeast. So this point will become southeast by east. This point, the arrow that I'm pointing right now, will become southeast by east. It is like this one, no? You write it on your paper, southeast by east, on this point. While this one below the southeast will become southeast by south. Okay, southeast by south. Okay, this point will become southeast by south. Okay, now we will do again, that is for the southeast quadrant. We'll do southwest quadrant. Okay, this point will become south by west. Write it down in your paper, south by west. Okay, this point will become west by south. West by south. And then we go to the intercardinal, which is southwest. This point will become, this blue point will become southwest by south. Southwest by south. And this blue point will become southwest by west. Southwest by west. Okay, just like this is 4. Okay, so you have to do it by quadrant. And lastly, this point will become west by north. Okay, the point above, or the line above the west, will become west by north, while this point will become north by west. This point will become north by west. Kindly please, mic off. Sino ba to? Paki-advise nga. How stupid. This point will become north by west. North by west. Okay, same as this one. Okay, then after that, go to the intercardinal, which is the northwest. This point will become northwest by north. Okay, the arrow or the blue ones, which is pointed by my arrow, it is the northwest by north, and this one will be northwest by west. Okay, northwest by west. So total, it is 32 points. Okay, 32 points. It should be 32 points. of the compass. So that is how you do boxing the compass. Now you can see it here, the directions, the symbols, and then the degrees. Okay, so meaning per point it is 11.25. Okay, 11.25 degrees. Okay, meaning since there are 32 over 360, so 360 over 32, it will become 11.25 degrees. That is how you do boxing the compass. So with that, I want you to do the quiz right now on your canvas under week 16, because it's already week 16 right now. Do it on your canvas, and also submit to me on my email, okay, this screenshot that you have done on how you did the boxing the compass. So do the boxing the compass. So this is your quiz right now. Okay, it's just 10 points. Other than that, create or box the compass and send it to me on my email, mdfernandez@fatima.edu.ph. I'm gonna stop sharing right now, and I'm going to take your attendance.